welcome to Sitting Pretty's YouTube channel. I am here to give you a little tutorial on how I created this look. So as you can see, I have short hair. So I have two halos. I actually have a short one and I have a long one. So this short one here just gives me a little bit more extra volume and a little bit more just oomph when I have my hair styled like this. So what I have actually done is I have cut the halo to my length and then I've just kind of worked it in and layered it a little bit to create this look. So I'm going to take it out for you now so you can kind of have a look at the difference. So this is with it in. And this is me taking it out. So as you can see, it is a little bit of a difference. It's a little bit, obviously not as thick. So this is the halo here that I have cut. So it's quite short and it works perfectly for that hairstyle. So the way that I put my halo in is really easy. This is the short one. I place it on my head just a couple of inches away from the front here. I slide it on just like this. And then what I do is I get the comb and I pull these little bits out. And this one has literally just been curled with my wand. It stayed in and it all matches like perfectly. The next style that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a half up, half down look. So I'm going to do a little top knot up here. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to sweep this front bit back with my comb. And then I'm just going to get the rest of the hair up here and just split it up. Just so I feel like I've got enough to put in a little bun. So I'm going to just wrap this around. And then I do think I'm going to bobby pin it. Just so it sits a little bit more flatter. Is how easy it is to put it in a little top knot, which is super cute and another cool idea. I'm going to do a little braid or a little plait just to kind of change it up a little bit. So I'm actually going to change my part as well. So I'm going to take some of this hair over to this side. I'm just going to put a little hair tie in this just here because I don't want it to come out. I'm going to pull this apart a little bit more. And that is another really cool style you can do with the halo extension. It just works really nicely. I wanted to try and show you how to change up the look a little bit more with some clips. Slicking this down here, and I'm just going to do one clip there, and then I'm going to do another one right next to it because I think that will look really cool. And I'm just going to do the other one, and I'm just going to zhuzh that. And that is how easy it is, again, to just add a few little clips to kind of change up the look just that little bit more, which I think looks really super cute, again, for another really cool style with the halo. Next style I'm going to share with you guys is actually going to be using my longer halo. So this is a thick one and it has been cut, so it's a little bit shorter, but I find it's best to work with this one when I'm doing a bun or a low pony, just because there's a lot more hair there to work with. So I'm just going to put it straight on and position it where I feel like it fits. We're going to do a low, messy bun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to position it, and I'm just going to pull all this hair back. How I create the bun, little messy bun with the longer halo, just for another different look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching my, what did I do? 4 different styles with different size halos. It was really fun to do. So please like and subscribe to the Sitting Pretties YouTube channel, because there will be a lot more that will be going up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hopefully will see you in the next video.